Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Looms Hapoh near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net footage. Ordar mapi. Minwan ra mangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
The National Highway Authority of India kalabu Thong ban Shna no menta Snem arajar arpuway da ka Jingkieng ka Thymmai ha ka jaka bala Shna ya ka Jingkieng ka Rim ha Dwar Ksuid ka badan hasurok jong ka Shillong bypass. Ya kani la pentip da usembot menteri rangba jong ka jilla uba preston tensong uba pet ya ka tanat PWD roads ha ba yakran bat ka Batesi TV. Uba preston ula ong badangshen ula lum deka jinyalang yaki officer jong ka National Highway Authority of India bat katanat PWD ban yakran halor kanika mat khnang ban weng no yaka jinge na ka maramot man la ka por yaka Jingkieng nar kabala Shna shipor hadin baka Jingkieng Rim ha Dwar Ksuid kala shong senjor bat bo jing maru yaki kali ki bayai lengba jong kanika surok ha baro arpusau kenta.
So we had a detailed meeting. Number one is about the Belly Bridge, because we keep repairing this bridge every, I should say, sometimes once a month or maybe twice a month. The fact remains because this Belly Bridge, the flooring is done by plank, by the wooden plank. So the wooden plank, you understand, the weight capacity of this bridge, it's 40 metric ton, but ultimately the tires, 12 tires, 14 tires are there. So that's why it leads to regular repairing, regular stoppage of movement of the trucks. Then that day we discussed, and then ultimately they have already given the assurance to us that from now on, again, they will change the flooring. Instead of wooden plank, they will go for steel, and all the materials has reached the site. I think within 2 days, 3 days, they are going to start the work. And we have already issued also, I think, notification from DC Nongpo. They will stop movement of trucks at night time from 7 o'clock in the evening till 6 o'clock in the morning, to allow the contractor to undertake the repairing work and then laying of that steel. And this one will take for another maybe 10-15 days, up to 15th of July. Once that is done, then I'm sure at least regular repairing will not again take place. That is the point number one as far as Belly Bridge is concerned. Then the point number two is, again, we discuss about the permanent solution. So the permanent solution from Nhai, they have already, the expert technical team has already approved two options. One option is they will again strengthen the existing RCC bridge, the old one, without changing the alignment. And then number two, they will strengthen the abutment, we call it abutment, of both sides, and then they will again lay the bridge on top of the existing bridge. So ultimately they decided to go for that construction additional abutment, means the foundation, and then again on top of the existing bridge they will construct the new bridge. So that one again, now they already moved for sanction. I think the cost will be around 15 crores or 10 to 15 crores. They already moved the sanction to the government of India. Hopefully, once the sanction is accorded, they will start again the work without disturbing the flow of traffic in the Belly Bridge. And again, we decided in the meeting that this permanent solution should be also completed within this year 2021. Number one, you know the weight of the trucks, 12 tires, 14 tires. In fact, technically the expert, the engineer says those 12 and 14 tires, even these highly specified specified, highly specified quality in the national highway done. But I'm telling you, the impact for damage of the pavement is very, very high. So leave aside with the belly bridge, because this is temporary. It's a belly bridge, and this is done by the BRO. So therefore, the question of overloaded or not overloaded, I think that is secondary to discuss right now. As I said to you, because the tire itself, the technical expert says 12 tires and 14 tires, the damage will be more, even if they are empty, more than those normal tires, truck tires, which we generally have. See, we do have, I think, 2, 4, 6 tires. Okay, so the damage is lesser than those trucks who has got 12 tires and then 14 tires.